If you're an entrepreneur looking to scale your business, what I discovered after spending thousands of hours reviewing research and interviewing hundreds of entrepreneurs for both of my books is that the only way to do this is by leveraging a subconscious phenomenon you are born with called intuition that takes just 33 milliseconds to help you create a trusted brand that attracts highly talented employees and fiercely loyal customers to your business who are directly responsible for your growth. What I also discovered is that your intuition is made up of 4 different types. And when you filter all of your business decisions through the 4 types of your intuition, each type of your intuition then sends you a series of intuitive signals that help you make the decisions that has the intuition of your employees and customers, deepening their trust in your brand. And with the research showing that it takes just 10 to 14 seconds for your employees and customers to sense whether you have a brand that can be trusted, you don't have a lot of time to get this right. The good news is that you are naturally stronger in one of the 4 types of intuition. The bad news is that this also means that you are weaker in the other 3 types of intuition. The problem that you face is that if you don't have a process that helps you strengthen the 3 types of intuition that you are weaker in, you miss the intuitive signals that they are sending you, desperately trying to warn you to back away from making a number of very bad decisions that have your employees and customers completely lose trust in your brand. Making this mistake will result in you attracting the wrong type of employees and customers who simply don't care for your brand, with them walking away to spend their time, effort, and money on other brands rather than yours, leaving you spending all of your time trying to fight one problem after another that starts to crush the success of your business.
I do remember on more than one occasion letting people through the filter because of the technical skill that I was acquiring, which I thought we were so desperate to have at the time. It cost me big time. We were burning $1 million a month.
So with the bookkeeper, I so wanted to believe that everything about her was great, and I found checks that she was forging.
To prevent this from happening to your business, I created a 5-step process called intuitive branding, fully customized for your business, that shows you how to strengthen all 4 types of your intuition so that you can properly sense every one of your intuitive signals, fully unlocking the power of your intuition to help you make the crucial decisions that deepen the trust in your brand. And when that happens, your employees will be naturally motivated to perform at a high level, and your customers will start to spend even more money on your products and services, even if they're priced higher, which is exactly how you're able to accelerate the success of your business, just like the huge number of entrepreneurs who've accelerated their success after implementing the intuitive branding process in their businesses. Let's go through each of the 5 steps to show you how they work together to help you make certain decisions in a number of business areas that deepen the trust that highly talented employees and fiercely loyal customers have in your brand, including testimonials from a number of entrepreneurs who had found incredible success implementing a particular step in their business. Step 1 in the intuitive branding process is where you use a number of your past business decisions to strengthen all 4 types of your intuition while also finding out what your unique intuitive signals are, giving you the ability to make sure that you only make business decisions that move your business forward. With a strengthened intuition, you then unlock its power to reverse a number of bad business decisions that you've made in the past, with you being able to immediately find areas in the business where you had been throwing money out the door year after year, putting money back into your bank account and instantly giving you a return on your investment in the intuitive branding process, just like it did for one entrepreneur.
Sunil divided the practice up into 6 buckets, and we found that at least 4 of those were in fact losing money. These were things that were immediately corrected. Financially, I estimate that we are probably about $200,000 a year better off, and at the same time, my quality of life has substantially improved. I'm less stressed.
Step 2 of the intuitive branding process has you using the 4 types of intuition to create a brand story that has highly talented employees intuitively wanting to play a part in the success of your brand. If you're not able to connect with your employees at an intuitive level, you start to attract the wrong type of employees who don't really care for your brand, leaving you completely frustrated dealing with the huge number of problems that this creates, with one entrepreneur forced to close a family-run business he was running in just 3 weeks.
Sort of evolved around a particular person we had in our controller position. Instead of listening to all the signals, including my intuition that was going on, there was many things hidden away in receivables and work in process and other areas of the business that turned out to be catastrophic. Literally within 3 weeks, the company was insolvent.
Step 3 of the intuitive branding process helps you use the 4 types of intuition to put the right employees with the right skills and experiences in the right positions while showing them how they can grow as you continue to scale your business. This has your employees deepening their trust in your brand, intuitively knowing that you really care for their success, leading them to naturally be producing at a high level to make sure that your business succeeds, with one entrepreneur saving money in the process.
We weren't very organized in our approach to hiring staff, to how we managed some of our procedures in the office. Because of this, we contacted Sunil to help us with hiring an office manager, providing proper job descriptions for our staff members, which was lacking previously, and to help organize the office and look at efficient flow through our office. Sunil was able to show us how we could save upwards of $100,000 a year while providing all of the same functions of the office we are currently providing.
Step 4 of the intuitive branding process has you using the 4 types of intuition to attract fiercely loyal customers to your brand. This is where you use a strategy to create marketing messaging that has your ideal customers intuitively knowing that your products and services are going to move their lives forward by either solving a problem or creating a tremendous value for them. This has them naturally wanting to continue buying your products and services while telling others about their experiences with your brand, with you enjoying an increase in revenues every single year, while also benefiting from free word-of-mouth advertising, which is exactly what happened to one entrepreneur.
Before, I had 1 or 2 clients buying 1 or 2 pieces, not very often. My dream clients are purchasing more. They're purchasing 2 to 3 items, and they keep coming back every year.
Step 5 in the intuitive branding process has you using the 4 types of intuition to deepen the trust your customers have in your brand by adding even more products and services that intuitively align with what you're already selling. This has them spending even more money on your products and services, even if your prices are higher, with one entrepreneur improving his business in a number of different areas after implementing this strategy.
When Sunil came on board with my company, we looked at conceptual strategies, we looked at the implications behind these strategies, and we looked at how to really properly execute this. The result overall was very positive, leading to a much better cash flows with the business, the efficiencies that we have in place, better processes that we put in place.
Once you've gone through each of the 5 steps in the intuitive branding process, you will have unlocked the power of your intuition to understand how to create a trusted brand that attracts highly talented employees and fiercely loyal customers, making it very easy to accelerate the success of your business. If you're interested in working with me and my team to customize the intuitive branding process for your business, click the link in the comments section that will take you to my application page. Because we only work with an exclusive group of entrepreneurs, once your application is approved, I will send you a link to schedule a call with me or one of my team members to talk about how we can work together to implement the intuitive branding process that is going to completely transform the success of your business. But just don't take my word for it.
Your courses, you can grab onto something tangible and then start to put the intuition into something that's actually going to work. So that's the reality of it, putting intuition to work for you.
Just a great experience overall. It just makes for a much smoother running corporation, and I'm glad I got engaged with Sunil and would recommend working with Sunil any day.
From my experience, I would personally recommend that you call Sunil. I wouldn't wait until there's dysfunction within the office, because you might end up in a crisis and that can be avoided.
All you need to do now is trust your intuition, which I'm sure is nudging you to click the link below in the description area to schedule a call with one of my team members to answer any questions you may have about how we can work together to take your business to a whole new level. All thanks to the power of your intuition.